Hello there, this is Gold Osborne here, and welcome to the YouTube channel known as the Loading Crew. This is one of my favorite channels in the world of Pokemon Tabletop United. If you don't know what Pokemon Tabletop United is, it's a series where it's pretty much like Dungeons and Dragons meets the Pokemon world. You can choose different classes, different characters, different stuff, and these people do uses. They also they use the Pokemon Tabletop series and create epic stories and adventures. So I wanted to show you some lovely things. Basically, a while back, no one like on the servers and stuff like that thought of creating a Pokemon Tabletop, like the Loading Crew Amino page. So I've decided to make that a reality. So there is now a Loading Crew Amino page that you can go to. I am currently the only person. There's other people who are members, and there's chat rooms. You can do wiki pages. There's also a link that goes directly to the website. You can do polls. You can do a large quantity of things here, and I just wanted to show you guys this. And if you are a Loading Crew fan, this is the best place to go. I will also have a place for their Discord server that if you want to join, this is where you can do it. You can also join on their YouTube channel. Yeah, this is what I got. This is if you guys want to join, I'll be happy to accept you with open arms. And if you're a if you're part of the Discord server, I'll be happy to give you a title saying you are in the Discord server, and so make sure you go through me, and I'll be happy to give it to you. So I hope you guys enjoy this lovely information. I hope you guys can come and join me, and let me show you the what we are the link. Oh, I went to the wrong one. Oops. Invite members. This is the codes. This is information. Yeah. So if you want to join, I'll be grateful. I will have the link down below if you want to tag along in the series and stuff like that. I just wanted to create this. This will be a place where you can find campaigns or talk about stories, have like a small role play series with your favorite cast members or something like that, and have fun with it. Talk about new ideals, new stories, new characters. I would like to see people making their characters, using this place as a storage for your characters, and stuff like that. So thank you for listening to this. This video will be posting up to on my main YouTube channel for Gold Osborne. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the future. Asa.